Okay, I got this thing flipped back over. Oh, wrong size. In my abyss of spaghetti crap. Find the 8 that I'm looking for. And this will be it. Alright. And 12 with a dead battery. I guess we'll come back to that one, huh? So we're gonna get a battery real quick. Well, I sure hope that ain't something locked up in the rear end there. I mean, rear end. Something locked up in the valve train. That battery does no difference. It's time to get a bigger. I guess we're not going to get the bigger one off. It's going to crack loose. Boy, those are stiff. Felt like it would have broken there. Jeez, oh Pete. Okay. Now let's see if this little gun will do it. Now, the moment we are wall within 4. Let's say 1 and 6. Here's the front. Number 1. Yummy. Learned my lesson on messing with those. Nothing obvious. About here. Just as nasty. Oi. Nothing looks crazy. Now you got me wondering. Well, try turning this son of a gun over again. Dude, what is going on? Going backwards to that point again. You sure they're only supposed to have air coming out of the intake and exhaust, not out of the piston rings? This thing might be junk. Now we're stuck at that spot again. Alright, I guess I'm gonna pull the plugs and take a look.